This is a 94 Dodge Caravan, and I got, this is the cutter for the windshield. I'm gonna have to sharpen the blade a bit, and as you can see there's a crack in the windshield. But anyway, this tool I used at the auto wrecker to take out this windshield, and sometimes that was easy, like 10-minute job, but sometimes it takes a lot longer to take out a windshield, especially if you gotta saw it with wire. But this is what I'm gonna try first, and the wipers. Okay, if you happen to have to do the X-Acto, we'll show you how you take off the inside plate. What's it got, clips there?
Yeah, see, there's the clips there. And they all have their little...
Okay, move your hand a little bit to see. Okay, you just pop it up with the screwdriver.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm cutting it out now with the X-Acto knife. Alright. This is a little bit harder, this one here. But that one, I definitely cut it out at the auto wrecker. This one. So, word of advice when you're at the auto wrecker, if one is not coming out that's going to crack, go to the next one. And oh yeah, I did put safety glasses on, because as you're cutting it, spits of glass come off. Okay, I'm done cutting a little bit. I'm gonna try something else here. See, it's caught right there. So. Get it there. On that corner, maybe there wasn't enough urethane. No, urethane. Well, time to clean it up, clean the glass off, and get the other windshield in. Well, I put the edging around. See, this edging has a little notch in it where you just push it on the window before you put it in. But I have one here that's a little different, where you put the window in and then you push it into place. See, it's got a little groove there. So you got to leave space all the way around the sides and the top for this to push in. But this rubber here is definitely an aftermarket rubber, and this one here probably comes from a glass company that, you know, people have been doing it for 20 years. Because you don't want it too far off one edge or top or bottom, because this won't fit. Okay, I set the camera up. We're ready to roll. It's like 10 minutes now. That urethane is now setting. See, that tube's empty. Hey, I think we're almost done. Just have to put these end pieces back in and trim on and let it dry for a while.